Ciao!
E sono Talash.
Io sono Saulo.
Noi siamo la coppia di Cookie. And today we are taking you to
Italy.
Chef, what are we making today?
You're making spaghetti Bolognese.
How to make your spaghetti Bolognese? You need very major ingredients. And these are the ingredients. This is our pasta. We have got a variety of pasta. We have got tagliatelle, penne, all this kind of farfalle. But right today we are using spaghetti. And then we have got tomato. This tomato will make a sauce out of it. This is what we call pomodoro sauce. You can use red onions or white onions. Rosemary. This is a fresh herb direct from our farm. Garlic, carrots, celery, oregano. We have got basil, black pepper, mincemeat. You see, this is beef mincemeat. And you can mix with minced pork, but for now we're not using with the pork. Red wine. Bolognese wine is not Bolognese. That's what the Italian says. And we've got courgette. They call it courgette. In the English term, they say baby marrow. Now, let's make pomodoro sauce. Now, we are boiling our water here. We take our tomato. You make a cross. Not a deep cut, just a cross. You can see a cross. Why we make the cross? This is easy peeling, and then you can just cut that section. Don't cut. Now your water is boiling. You just throw in your tomatoes.
So next you peel your carrots.
Your carrots that way. This is your brunoise. It's a type of cut that you cut into cubes. You can see. You crush your garlic. I like how you crush garlic that way. So in your ice cool water, take your tomatoes and place them there to cool. You can see the peeling. That you just peel your. See, look at that. Look at that. This is your fresh rosemary.
This is it.
And then this is your courgette.
You have to cut all of them the same shape.
Yeah. All of them into cubes, And this is our celery. Let's do away with the leaves. Making our pomodoro. These are our peeled tomatoes. Just rough chop them. You can use a blender to make a pomodoro out of it, but for me I just used knife. We always use olive oil to cook our meals, and here it's Italy. Which city? Tell me in the description below. Let's fry our onions. Put our carrots, celery. You don't have to make your onions golden brown. You just make them sweet. And then let's put our rest of our vegetables. Rosemary, don't forget about that. we put our oregano. This is oregano. And then we put our ground minced meat. This is our mince. We put our minced meat. And then we give it a very good stir. Perfecto. Perfecto. Mamma mia. This looks good. This is very nice. It's taking into Italy. I'm telling you, we are in Italy right now, guys. Guys, you cannot imagine that aroma that is getting that is filling this kitchen, guys. This thing is really, really amazing, guys. I can do this just a call away, any place, at your home, at your villa. If you're coming here for the Airbnb around Diani, guys, Italian people, African people, all of you, I got you, guys. Invite me just a call away, I'll be there, and I'll make for you amazing, amazing dishes and all type of cuisine that you want me to do, right? You can season your meat. Season it with salt, pepper. You put some black pepper, and then we put our tomato paste. See that? Guys, our Bolognese is coming. It's coming. You know what? Our Bolognese is coming. Not the coming that you think about it, guys. It's just coming. Mamma mia. Oh, benevuto, benevuto, benevuto. Feel it there. Look at that. You can blend this, but I love to use it this way, alright? This is your rich Bolognese sauce. My friends from Italy. What are those names? Remind me of one of the names of Italian. Luciano. Ooh, Luciano. Another name. Papito, is that a name? Papito. Although you just put that at the end, you give that a slang or like a papito, benevuto, ingueto, I don't know, something like that, right? And then you just let it cook, guys. And now is the perfect time to add our red wine in. Good flavor. Now you let it cook in low heat, let it reduce, and then you get that perfect Italian Bolognese, guys. Now you throw in your basilico. You can chop them, but for me, I just love them that way without chopping them, and this will bring that good flavors, guys. This is Bolognese, the Italian way, the Italiano way of making Bolognese, guys. If you make your Bolognese without the red wine, that's not Bolognese, that is something else. Alright, but this one is the perfect Bolognese, guys. You can see, now you let it cook at a low heat. After that, I'll tell you what next, guys. Now this is our Bolognese sauce, very rich in all ingredients that are required to make Bolognese, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. This is how we cook our Bolognese. Give it a little taste. Guys, you cannot imagine how sweet is this Bolognese, guys. I wish you can come and try this, but if you want to come and try this, guys, just one call away. This is our Bolognese sauce, as I told you, very rich in the vegetables, wine, and fresh herbs. Now you can have it with any type of pasta of your choice, either penne, tagliatelle, farfalle, cannelloni, all the types of pasta that you name them, right? Now it's time to cook pastas, and select a very good quality pasta. For me, I'm using this pasta. I find it good. I've got an Italian. If you don't understand Italian, you come to English. It says you put it, or you boil it in around 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, and then drain off the water, dress and serve. This is just very simple. If you tell me you don't know how to cook pasta, I don't know why. You've got all the instruction here, and this is what we're gonna do. Pastas have got different sizes and different numbers. See the number, like this is number 27 is the size. Let's open this and see size 27 how it looks like. Okay. And spaghetti pasta have got a difference. So when you cook your pasta, guys, avoid putting your pasta in cold water. Right? Other people put pasta in cold water, and this will make your pasta, they'll make your pasta sticky. This, first of all, you have to boil your water. Look at that, Mike. Put your salt, olive oil. This will help your pasta not to stick together. Don't break your pastas like that. You can see as they continue boiling, right? You just see, you can have good stir. When you just don't stir your water, guys, your pasta will stick. So stir it up. Let that motion. Let the water have that motion, and avoid using small saucepan or small sufurias. Instructions says we boil our pasta for 5 to 7 minutes. The 5 minutes will give your pasta al dente. Al dente meaning almost done. This is your pasta. After 5 minutes, our pasta is done. Take it out from your strainer like that. Olive oil, or you can even throw in your butter, and then you give that a good mix. Sauce, Mamma mia! Look at that, guys. Parmesan cheese, whoa, and your basilico. And now that is your spaghetti bolognese, the Italian way, guys. Look at that. Oh, mamma mia. Guys, if you have really enjoyed the recipe, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and get amazing recipe. We'll take you from Italy, Germany, Kenya, Uganda, East Africa, all measure them.
Our spaghetti bolognese is ready. We are ready to take it.
Yeah.